they kept them overnight and.
Well, that's like Bradley's friend in Australia. His friend said, "Can you house sit my cat while I'm out of town?" So he says, "Sure." So after about 2 weeks, he goes, "Oh my God, I forgot. I gotta get over there."
He forgot the cat.
Well, like 10 days or something. So he goes over there, and the cat is almost dead. So
That is not supposed to.
no, wait. I know, it's not over yet. So he takes it to the vet. It costs him about $1,000 in vet fees. And they finally nursed the cat back to health. And when the people come back from their vacation, they say, "Whose cat is that?" their cat went in, didn't have food, it just left. And this cat came in. And it couldn't find its way out.
Is this true? Was he in
Bradley's
dope?
friend in
Was he
Australia.
in dope or something?
He's never met
No, he's never met the cat before.
He didn't know it was
He didn't know which cat it was. It's not my
Not
cat.
knowing the cat, not going to see the cat, finding another creepy cat, losing the cat.